Take a look at the benefits in using the Blue Chip Forecast for downloading your interest rates. So Rate Forecast, this is where all the driver rates are stored in Compass, and you're going to have one or two different rate files in here. You might have the Blue Chip Financial Forecast, which is what we see here with the different rate movements, or you may have Rate Update, which is a flat forecast of what the current rates are at. So if you have that flat forecast, you might just not have an easy way of gathering your forecast for your rates, or maybe regulators are saying it's not adding that level of precision that they need because they know rates are going to be moving. Sure, there's a few different websites you can go visit. Then you need to compile that data and document it so you can be putting it into the model and then making sure that your driver models get updated. But what a lot of our clients do is they subscribe to the Blue Chip Financial Forecast. It's a push button that you can download each month to download the projected interest rates from the top 50 economists. And it comes with a newsletter. If you're into this kind of stuff, I'm going to click on this button and it brings up a newsletter of the forecast that you've just loaded in. You can see the different information about those indices and the projections and where they're headed, where they're at. That goes into the professional rate projections. All of the rates that are downloaded in here can be backed up from that newsletter. You can download one each month if you need to. So when you're in Compass, you're coming in here, you're projecting out some loan data, you're planning it, you're budgeting for it. You've got your driver model here. We have it connected to Prime with just a simple spread of 1.5. You can actually see how your forecasted income generates based on the movement of the rate projections. If you leave your rates flat with your simple spread, you're not going to see any movement for your rates here. So how much can you really rely on those income projections when you know that rates are not going to stay flat over the next year? So when you're planning out your next few years, you're putting in your models, you're updating your rates and your balances, and you want to come and take a look at a 3-year forecast. You're confidently discussing your income statement and your other forecasts because you know you've captured the projected rate movements just by downloading those Blue Chip projected rates each month into your drivers.